So first of all, you want to make sure that your iPhone or device is jailbroken, and if it is jailbroken, then you can follow the tutorial. So first of all, we're going to open Cilio, or it may be Cydia for you, depends. You're going to go to the sources on the bottom middle, then you click on the plus icon, the one on the top right, and then you type this repo. Write cokepokes.github.io/ then add source, and then you're gonna see this cokepokes github repo. You're gonna click on search, and then you're gonna type app store ++. You're gonna see this one with the app store icon. Now this does work from iOS 11 to iOS 15, so you're gonna click on get, and then you're gonna scroll up from the bottom and click on the blue confirm button. And now we're gonna try with the App Store. Now, if the app initially didn't have a version compatible for iOS 12, then this will not work. Let's click here, and as you can see, written here is requires iOS 13 or later, so it's incompatible. So now you long press on the get button, you're gonna get this menu, and you're gonna choose upgrade/downgrade. So there you get this massive list of versions or available versions. So you can always scroll down. I just always, for example, if the latest version is 13, I go for version 11 or something. I mean, this one only requires iOS 13, so it doesn't even take that long to get a compatible version. And we're gonna select 12.50. Then you click on install. And as we can see, the app is getting downloaded, and here it is on the home screen. A sub would be appreciated, and I hope this helped.